everyone, this is Asa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And today we have this modern industrial home for sale, and this one's located here at Old Timog Subdivision, and dito siya located sa Koreantown. And as you all know, Koreantown is very close to Clark International Airport, and yung Koreantown siya yung buong strip ng commercial establishments. So if you are looking for that kind of location ng magiging bahay nyo, I guess this house is perfect for you. The house sits at 300 square meters for the lot area and 500 square meters for your floor area. Ganun siya kalaki. Let's explore what's inside. So you have a huge pedestrian gate, and bago pumasok, meron kang doorbell dito. At the same time, intercom siya. So pag may nag-doorbell, makikita natin sa loob kung sino yung kumatok or nag-doorbell, sino yung bisita niyong dumating. Pagpasok natin, this is your carport and fully covered siya. And a spacious 3 steps going to your spacious lanai where you can do all your celebrations. Dito siya. Kaya napakalaki ng lote. I mean, lot size ng bahay. And the most highlighted part of this house is you have this lap pool. Wala lang water ngayon. Hindi na nila nilagyan. Pero ganun siya kalaki. Paano ko ba siya sasabihin? I think flash na lang namin yung exact size ng swimming pool nyo. So, level siya. Medyo mababa lang dito, and then nasa around 6 feet na yung doon sa dulo niyan. So, that's it. Ito yung mas ma-enjoy nyo sa bahay na to. You have that large swimming pool. And then this one naman, where you can put, kagaya nito, yung mga stock room lang siya. Right? Ang ganda ng facade niya, puro salamin. And once you enter, you have a parang Korean style na metal door. Very safe. Naka-digital lock din. Ayan. So may touch to ng well, nag-build kasi nito Korean. Kaya, as you can see, pagpasok natin, ito na agad yung paglalagyan nyo ng mga sapatos nyo. Dito. Itong cabinet na to. All the way sa taas. Ganon siya. Ayan. Diba? Medyo elevated siya. Hindi ko siya matawag na sunken. Elevated lang ng konti. Parang pagpag ng shoes. I'll start over here na lang. Ito yung sinasabi ko kaninang intercom pag nag-doorbell kayo sa labas. So, dito nyo makikita yung bisita nyo. And over here, you have a guest room. Nakalock lang kasi may mga gamit. Ito na lang tignan nyo yung picture. And also, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Over here is, wow, a spacious living area. And napakaliwanag. At the same time, itong buong area na to, siya yung side ng swimming pool nyo. Ang ganda nito talaga pag may water. Kasi parang yung feeling na may water feature kayo na nakapaligid sa bahay, yung ganon. Pero syempre, swimming pool yan. Ang ganda lang ng view. Well, pwede kayong maglagay ng can accommodate yung buong family nyo ng sofa set dito. This is where you can put your television, that part. And then dito na yung buong sofa set, or may lazy boy pa on this side, yung ganon. And also high ceiling. Nasa first floor pa lang tayo, napaka-high ceiling. And look at your air condition unit. Nakaka-set type to cover the whole ground floor. Kasi nga, glass panel yung halos buong wall niya naka-glass panel. And to separate your dining area from your living area is meron silang tubular accent dito where you can put nga yung television niya. Over here, another spacious dining area and also high ceiling. Ang liwanag ng chandelier na to. Yeah, that's it. Kahit up to 10-seater kaya pa for this dining area. And another view ng swimming pool nyo. Now, in order to access naman yung swimming pool nyo from your dining area, itong both side may sliding door. This one fix siya. Para talagang view nyo lang yung swimming pool. In fairness, ang gaganda din ng quality ng mga sliding. UPVC, oo. Ganito yung mga gusto ko eh. Soon, pag nagkabahay din ako. Yun yung actually yung gusto ko sa mga house tour na ginagawa ko. Kasi parang nabubuo ko rin yung, syempre, dream home ko rin. Ayan. So, over here, hanggang dito yung swimming pool niya. Malalim na talaga dito. 6 feet na. And you have, pwede pa naman mag-setup dito ng outdoor tables and chair. Pwede pa mag-chill-chill. Yan. And kung nasan si Mr. K, andyan yung pump ng swimming pool and another access going to your service area. Papunta kay maid's room natin. Ayan. Since malaki talaga yung lot area ng bahay, malalaki din yung space ng lahat. And ito yung point of view pala pag andito ka sa kitchen mo, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung visitors mo, even yung nasa outdoor na nalanay, pool area, kita nyo pa rin yung space kung nasan ako intro kanina where you can celebrate anything na gusto nyo i-celebrate doon sa labas, kitang-kita ko pa rin. Ganun pala kaganda pag yung buong wall mo naka-glass panels. Nasa kitchen ako. This is your formal kitchen. You have this large countertop and then this part, pwede maglagay ng mga 3 na stools para naman makakalabas pa doon sa swimming pool area. Then sa baba niya, mga large cabinets. Drawers, sorry. Mga large drawers. And soft close. Diba, dito yung buffet area. O dito where you can wash yung mga plates. Itong mga mabibilis na lang na lutuin na food. Parang metallic din yung pagka-laminate sa mga cupboards natin or overhead cabinets dito sa kitchen. You have this large sink. Then over here, pwedeng partition for the microwave and oven. Kayo, kung gusto nyo itong baguhin. Pero mga provision na yan. As for this one, 2-door fridge. Kasya pa. And another one is, meron tayong sariling pantry na may room talaga siya. And may mga na rin. May shelves na rin to store talaga yung mga maraming groceries. Kahit siguro mga luggages, pwedeng ilagay siya. Well, it's up to you naman. And dalawa pa yung aircon dito. You have cassette type for your living room. Dito naman sa bandang formal kitchen natin, may split type pa. Bongga, parang hindi naiinit pag may bisita kayo, buksan nyo lang lahat ng aircon. Right? Hello. Wow, spacious. Siyempre sa baba natin, hindi mawawala yung for the guest room. Pero serves as common toilet common toilet and bath na. Look, how gorgeous yung etong glass partition na to. Over here, a spacious toilet area. I like this na pwede maglagay ng mga tissue and all or other toiletries. And this one serves as cabinet pa rin. Yan. Ay, nakita na si Mr. K. Anyway, you have your sink. Ganda lang. Iba yung design. And syempre, this is for our angels. Yung iba kasi tawag nila angels. Ito yung kanila. And then, merong sariling toilet and bath din over here. And then, another door is for the stock room pa rin. And another door. Di pa tayo tapos. We have another door pa dito to access yung pinaka laundry area na. And may access din siya doon kung nasan si Mr. K. Ito yung clips. Dalawa kasi to, parang pwede siyang tawaging duplex pero ganito kalaki. Magkatabi yung dalawang villa. Kaya ibang gamit nilagay na nila dito. Well, this is still brand new pa rin yung bahay. Wala pa rin naman gumagamit nito. Yung iba, mine-maintain lang din, syempre. Alright? We've seen what? First bedroom and then for your helpers and then the common areas. Now, let's check what's upstairs naman. The house comes unfurnished. Mga basic needs lang like aircon and yung mga lighting yung kasama natin. And of course, as we continue going up, for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media page. That's Next Level Properties. Talagang modern. Ang tawag ko dito sa house na to, rustic. Kasi yung ganitong style, and then yung sa labas naman. And then dito naman sa taas, over here, dahil nga may option na to purchase yung dalawang property, meron siyang access. Eto. Pero if you only want this house, specifically, pwede naman nating ipasara to para hindi na na-access ng kabilang bahay. And I guess let's start sa room na to. You have a spacious second bedroom dito sa taas. A very spacious bedroom. Kaya pa up to king size bed for this one. You have your own air conditioned unit. Or dito yung headboard kasi ayun may mga saksakan siguro it's for the entertainment area. And ayan, ganyan yung ceiling. Plain, but ay ito pala yung sa TV natin, entertainment wall. Sorry, that's your headboard. Then dito yung wall. And then lahat ng bedroom may sariling toilet and bath. Here. It's just the same ng nasa baba. Napakagandang toilet and bath. Kung may lagayan ka na ng bath essentials, glass partition, it's just the same. A spacious toilet area and a sink and this cabinet. Ang ganda kasi punong-puno ng mirror. And of course, our cabinet. Diba may pagka-Korean talaga. May Korean touch yung bahay. Kita mo naman sa cabinets. Taas. Next room. So sa next room, it has own toilet and bath as well. And wow, a spacious cabinet for your clothes. Ito headboard. I guess dito na yung TV, anywhere you want. And then yung cabinet, ang pinakagusto ko. Ang daming cabinet. Ang laki. Ayan. Diba, ang laki ng cabinet? So mga bago nating subscriber, 5'8" po ako, tapos ganyan yung cabinet. And this one, this could be your vanity area or study table. Lahat ng bedroom may sariling toilet and bath. It's just the same. Pare-parehas yung design nila. Well, at least, di ba, walang mismatch. And siguro, highlight na natin to since nandito na tayo. You have another or second family area or family room. Actually, pwede pa siyang gawing room kung gusto nyo. And also, nakikita nyo yan, cassette type na naman yung in-install na aircon para dito sa open area na to. Napakalaki niya. Nasa around to. Feeling ko pa 20 square meters na to from here over here. Kung saan ako umakyat, ganun siya ka-spacious. And also high ceiling. And then for your balcony, siguro access ko na lang from the next room. All the way yung balcony, parang L-shape kasi yan eh. This room? Alright. This is our fourth room kasi meron tayo sa babang guest room na isa. Come in. This is where your headboard goes. Napakasimple ng ceiling pero ang ganda niya. Ganda ng design niya. May drop ceiling. Mga pin lights, cove lighting, yung ganon. Lots of natural light coming from this huge glass panel windows. Hindi siya nauusog, ang laki. Ito lang yung access niya. Ayan. Ito yung access niya and whole balcony up to doon. May next room pa naman para ma-access natin yung balcony. And this one, ito yung shower area niya. Yung mga toilet and bath. May mga ganito, oh. Pero hindi naman kayo makikita dyan. May mga natural light lang siya kung gusto nyo din ng natural ventilation na bubuksan yung pinaka-taas. Well, anyway, kung ayaw nyo lang ng natural light. Maliwanag pa naman siya. Cute lang. And then, syempre meron siyang sariling cabinet din. Diba kaya mas gusto ko yung isang room, mas malaki yung cabinets. And ito, may salamin na. Next room. For the next room, ito na yung pinaka-primary bedroom natin. Yan. Look. Bedroom. And then sa likod ng pinto is, excuse me. Sa likod ng pinto yung ng perpa ko. Yung cabinet niya. 3 doors yung cabinet. Ang ganda ng door, parang ang solid ng pagkagawa. Mga hinges niya. Anyway, this is your primary bedroom. Pwedeng customize bed yung ilagay niyo dito. Ganon siya ka-spacious. Own air-conditioned unit. And eto, may sariling vanity area ka na dito na may mirror na siya. Also, may toilet and bath. Siyempre, primary room na siya. Yan. And as for the balcony, ganito siya kalaki. Yung parang buong front ng property, all the way hanggang sa side, ganun yung balcony niya. So let's start from here. Oh, ito, just another stock room kung sino mang titira sa room na to. So from here yung balcony, that's your front of your property. Ito yung lanay area. This is the other room na may access going here and all the way here. Tara, Mr. K. Hanggang dito siya. Ayan. Ito yung second natin, family area. Hindi ko na siya mapapasok. I guess hindi ko nabuksan. That's it. That's your spacious balcony. And mahangin pa dito sa subdivision na to. At the same time, walang ingay kahit along Koreatown yung subdivision. Okay, for the quick recap, the house is located at Old Timog Subdivision along Koreatown Phil-Am Friendship Highway. It is very close to Clark International Airport. And the house sits at 300 square meters for the lot area and you have 500 square meters for your floor area. You have your lap pool, and the house has 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and bath. The house comes unfurnished. You have a single carport, and pwede pa tong i-extend kung gusto niyo talaga ng mas malaking bahay. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what really matters. Finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Sasa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video.
Arte, oh.